Halo teman-teman, selamat datang kembali di channel ini. Dan kali ini kita akan melanjutkan lagi perjalanan kita untuk mendapatkan Genshin Impact, teman-teman. So, bagi kalian yang suka dengan video ini, please like, please subscribe channel ini, dan komen kira-kira masukan-masukan dari kalian itu sangat berguna bagi channel ini untuk berkembang nantinya lagi, sehingga gue juga bisa namatin game-gamenya yang lain juga, oke? So, tanpa banyak basa-basi lagi, kita langsung lanjutin aja game Genshin Impact ini. So, gimana kabar teman-teman semua nih? Semoga kalian sehat selalu, diberkahi, diberikan kesuksesan, dan dilancarkan rezeki ya teman-teman. Dilancarkan rezekinya untuk kita semua sih. Semoga apapun yang kita mau di tahun ini bisa dapat tercapai ini teman-teman. Jadi ini udah part yang ke-10 nih seharusnya. Jadi gimana nih kalian? Apakah kalian suka nih dengan video ini terakhir? Itu kita ketemu Lisa, sang librarian. Dan kita nagih buku nih ke Marjorie. Kita juga udah ketemu Xiangling. Jadi dua karakter itu story-nya sudah kita mainin nih. Dan ini Lisa masih kita mainin untuk story-nya. Sebelum nanti kita ke Archon, kita selesaiin story-nya ya.
Which should I choose?
Welcome to Good Hunter. Table for two?
3!
Oh, my apologies. Please sit wherever you like, and call me over once you're ready to order.
So we're gonna eat first and bring up the book situation later?
Why, of course. The stress of work really takes the pleasure out of eating, don't you think?
Work is that bad, huh?
Why don't you order us something, cutie? I'm ever so curious to know what your tastes are. Good Hunter's signature dish. If it's what you want, I'll try anything once.
You sure? Can't change again once you've made your mind up.
Why don't you order us something, cutie? This seems like the sort of staple bar food you'd find at the tavern. It has an extremely strong flavor, so drinkers love it because they can actually taste it.
You sure? Can't change again once you've made your mind.
Why don't you order us? Why don't you?
What does Lisa like to eat? She's been here a few times with Master Jean for afternoon tea before. I think she normally orders something vegetarian. A lady tends to eat cautiously on account of her physique, after all. On that note, I should probably be watching my own diet a little more.
Jadi cewek itu ngeliatin makanannya karena badannya. Kalau laki-laki kayak gue gini, gue sebisa mungkin makan cuman ngeliatin kalori ya sih.
Why don't you order us something, cutie? I'm ever so curious to know what your tastes are. I imagine that making a good vegetable soup takes good quality ingredients, cooked in the right order, at the right heat, for the right length of time. At least, those are the principles that apply when one is making potions. But from what I've heard, soup making was a popular pastime among the witches of the past.
You sure? Can't change again once you've made your mind up.
Why don't you order us something? Eating salad is like piling on more and more elemental power. Raw, unfettered energy applied indiscriminately, with no elegance or control. It's the first mistake all magic users make when they're learning. But then again, if one genuinely had so much pure elemental power that they could solve any problem they wanted, that would be a different matter entirely.
You sure? Can't change again once you've made your mind up.
Why don't you order us something? Eating salad is like piling on more and more elemental power. Raw, unfettered energy applied indiscriminately, with no elegance or control. It's the first mistake all magic users make when they're...
You sure?
Yay.
Can't change.
Finished ordering? Sit here. Let's dine together. The ingredients are fresh. The Good Hunter certainly lives up to its reputation in that respect. Salad as a meal is a little bland, though. It always feels like there's something missing.
Paimon's so full.
Time is getting on. I suppose I should carry on with this ghastly thing called work. Let's have a little chat with Sarah about her library book.
Would you like to order something else?
No, thank you. We're quite satisfied. But I'm afraid I must ask you about the Boar Princess.
The boar brisket? I'm sorry. I think we took that off the menu.
She means the book you borrowed.
Oh, of course. I came straight to the restaurant after I borrowed it and completely forgotten that I even had it. I'm so sorry, Lisa. I will bring it to the library myself as soon as I finish work.
Okay then. But make sure you don't forget this time. Right. On to our next stop then, cutie.
Si Mama ini memang punya ketertarikan tersendiri gitu ya terhadap bocah-bocah kayak kita gini ya.
This is our final call for the day.
Welcome. Couples are our specialty. Let me know what you'd like and I'll wrap them up nicely for you.
Yes. Now, which book was it that has the line, "A date without flowers is a date without romance"? Why, it just so happens that I would, my kindest cutie.
Some flowers for Miss Lisa? What would you like? Dandelions are one of our classics, and a personal favorite of Miss Flora, the shop owner. I know what you're thinking. Most flower shops don't sell dandelions. They're a nuisance to care for. Perhaps Miss Flora likes the sense of floating away to a faraway land that the dandelion evokes. Come to think of it, Miss Flora herself gives people the same impression.
You sure? Can't change again once you've made your mind up.
Some flowers for Miss Lisa? What would you like?
Sorry kita ngulak-ngulak terus karena gue pengen kasih yang terbaik.
Mist flowers? Over there in the corner. But don't touch them with your bare hands. You'll get frostbite. You want them? You're sure? What an unusual choice. It's just that Lisa seems to use Electro quite a lot. Things could get a little bit dangerous.
You sure? Can't...
Some flowers for Miss Lisa? You want my help? I don't know if I have the best taste in flowers. Why don't you go ask Miss Flora, the shop owner? I couldn't help but notice the flower on Miss Lisa's hat, though. I think it's a rose? Some flowers for Miss Lisa? These roses were bought from a traveling merchant a few days ago. Miss Flora thought maybe someone would like them. This is the only bunch.
You sure? Can't change again once you've made your mind.
Some flowers for Miss Lisa.
Nanya sama siapa ya?
That's what I'll make tonight. Some flowers for Miss Lisa? You want my help? I couldn't help but... Some flowers for Miss Lisa. Some flowers for Miss...
Ada satu nih belum buka. Ngomongnya sama siapa ya?
These roses were bought from... Miss Flora thought maybe...
You sure? Can't change again once you've made your mind up.
Gas.
I can see you put a lot of thought into this. Have you ever heard of the Witch of Purple Rose before? I thought that after returning to Mondstadt, I wouldn't have the chance to see fresh roses again. This seems like a good sign. Okay, time to get back to business. Donna, do you know why we're here?
Back to business? My business is selling flowers.
Once again, we see a total lack of respect for literature. The Pale Princess and the Six Pygmies. Ring a bell?
Oh, yes. Well, what happened was... Oh no, what am I gonna do? I lost the book. A while back, I realized it was almost due, and I was getting ready to bring it back to the library. But I couldn't find it anywhere. I looked for days, but nothing. It's like somebody stole it. It should have been there, on my bedside table, right where I left it.
Uh-oh. That Lisa does some crazy things when she gets mad.
I heard that. Well, if it really was stolen, Donna's done nothing wrong. The blame lies with the book thief. And their punishment will be 10 times worse than stealing my book.
Like Paimon said, totally crazy.
Oh, don't worry about that. As long as I remain librarian, not a single book will go missing for good. I put a unique elemental marker on each book. Our thief will have left a nice set of clues for us to follow.
When did Lisa start taking her job so seriously? Paimon always thought she was a total slacker.
Hey, sweetie. I've heard your elemental sensitivity is very strong. Why not see what you can do?
Elemental sensitivity? Oh, Paimon's got it! Use your elemental sight to look for clues!
Kita disuruh nyari clue lagi. Sama kayak waktu itu ya, pernah kita pakai ya. Untuk Venti kok nggak salah.
Looking at the elemental traces, it does seem likely that the book was stolen.
So Donna didn't do anything wrong after all.
It's not from the restricted section, so it's hardly a book worth stealing. Whoever wanted this book so badly had a strange fixation indeed.
So what do we do now?
The elemental traces are very faint, but I can tell that the thief took it beyond the city walls. You must see it too, right, cutie? Let's follow the trail and have a look where our thief was headed, shall we?
Kita lihat dulu, masih ada last book, oke. Kita memang harus nyelesain story quest-nya dulu, terus baru nanti kita ke Archon Quest. Karena kalau misalkan kita nanti langsung ke Archon Quest, yaitu misi utamanya, banyak nanti yang kita nggak ketahui. Oh, di situ. Dan story quest ini tentang Lisa ya, teman.
The elemental traces are strong here, but it seems our thief did not stay for long. The trail keeps going. Let's keep looking.
Inilah Lisa. Jadi kak, story ini tentang dia nih sekarang. Menarik ya. Kita cek lagi. Sana ya. Ini belum gua ambilin dulu ya teman. Lumayan. Ini bisa dipakai untuk kita nge-forge atau buat senjata nih teman-teman. Enggak tinggi. Energinya masih sedikit banget ya. Nah, di situ. Shit. Fokus.
It's further than I thought. Quite the intrepid explorer, our little thief.
Maybe we frightened the turtle back inside his shell.
Kalau menurut gue pribadi, GB ini panjang juga ceritanya ya. Jadi ini masih prolog aja tuh, masih dari end event. Kita mainin dulu kali ya. Prolognya itu masih belum selesai teman-teman. Keren juga sih.
You've been a naughty boy.
Oke. Lumayan kan dapat XP. Sampah companionship itu apa ya? Belum gue mainin tuh. Nanti kita mainin ya. Kalau sekarang kita fokus dulu terhadap story-nya. Ada ini, ada clue lagi.
It must be nearby. Using elemental sight, you can even detect magic. Follow the flow of magic to find the book.
Bentar. Lebih penting ngelut. Kita harus ngelut terus supaya kita lancar. Oke, itu flow magic kayak gitu ya. Kita kesini. Masih kesini. Ini mirip banget sama kayak Assassin's Creed gitu loh. Itu sebenarnya suka sih. Sebagian yang ininya. Oh, oke.
The thief lives inside ruins? Mondstadt people do have some strange quirks.
Please do not jump to such a preposterous conclusion about the living habits of Mondstadt's residents. This seems far more likely to be the work of some none too friendly troublemakers. It's like you can read my mind. This is more likely to be the Abyss Order's doing. They do seem to have a way of slipping in and out of places like ghosts, after all. Also, there's an elemental seal at the entrance. It looks like the result of an Abyss mage's magic.
A seal? How are we gonna break it? Is this gonna turn into another huge ordeal?
Not to worry. If you think a little magic can keep me out, think again.
Why is that?
Come on.
Whoa! So this is what Lisa's like when she's hard at work.
Masih mama itu kelihatan super, bro. Super mama ya. Kita pakai Lisa. Tapi nanti ada Lisa lagi. Takutnya sih kayak gitu sih. Jadi gimana kalau misalkan kita pakainya
As you wish.
soalnya gue yakin pasti ada Lisa. Karena kalau story itu kita kan nyeritain tentang karakter yang di story-nya. Terus kalau udah mulai ke dungeon kayak gini, kemungkinan besar kita pakai karakter juga tuh kan.
It's so much bigger in here than Paimon thought. Do we really have to go all the way inside?
If you borrow a book, you have to return it. There will be no exceptions.
Galak ya, si mama yang ini galak. Turun ke bawah dulu kah? Oh, ada chest. Gue nggak lihat, gila. Ini sangat tidak boleh untuk dilewatkan ya. Karena berguna loh. Chest itu lah yang nanti nyelamatin kita. Agak jauh ya. Kira-kira ada chest lagi ya? Kalau ada chest lagi memang harus gua ambil sih, wajib. Nah itu ada chest lagi ya. Oke, bukan itu, bukan. Ini kayaknya gue harus ini. Sorry. Kok kurang teliti gitu ya rasanya. Ini juga ada nih. Oke. Kita harus cepat ya. Tapi jangan lupa, looting itu penting di game-game yang seperti ini. So, bagi kalian yang emang suka dengan game ini gratis ya teman-teman. Kalian bisa download ini di Play Store kayak gue main ini di Android. Sekarang tuh lagi main di Xiaomi Mi Pad 6. Tapi juga tersedia di PS4, Xbox baru keluar malahan. Jadi kalau kalian mau mainin ya kalian bisa mainin secara gratis ya, benar-benar secara gratis. Di PC juga ada, memang hasilnya juga di PC dia.
Time to clean up.
Come a little closer. You're in for a little shock.
Taruh ya teman. Gue main pakai Xingqiu tapi karena mereka belum looting terus. Oke, itu penting. Pakai ini. Kita pakai Lisa dulu.
Windblade. Cool it.
Witness the power of Gurwa.
With the wind.
Time to act.
Oh, so sorry. Freeze.
Rain outlines your fate.
Come a little closer.
Ya. Oke, gua kurang cepet gitu ya.
As a dutiful maid would.
Try not to enjoy this too much.
Nah. Tadi kenapa kayak terlalu lambat gitu ya? Kenapa itu masih... Oh, wow.
Hey, look! It's an abyss mage! Lisa was spot on!
You're in for
Oh, wow.
a shock. Come a little close.
Steady as stone.
Windblade!
No, my sword!
Dodge this! This moment will be frozen in time.
Ring cutter!
You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer.
Rain outlines your fate.
How did you find this place? It's so well hidden!
I have no interest in finding out where you little rascals hide yourselves away, but I do want my book back. Tell me, how is it that you have the time to conceal your stronghold and apply a magic seal, but not to sign out a library book in the proper manner? You have no respect whatsoever for other people's work.
You just want the book? I was unaware that anyone in Mondstadt was concerned with unearthing the secret hidden inside this book. Who are you?
The librarian, although I believe that should be quite clear already. Return the book. This is an ultimatum.
Since you insist on concealing your identity, I have all the less reason to give you that book. After all, it contains the secret. Huh? What are you doing? Such concentrated elemental power! Please don't!
Naughty boys who don't do what they're told need a little punishment to keep them in line. This is why I call it troublesome work. We'll just need to find the book ourselves. It should be around here somewhere.
Yalah, mama pasti seram. Apalagi kalau udah marah ya kayak Lisa itu. Electrified. Ini ada chest.
It's the Pale Princess and the Six Pygmies! Paimon remembers that name! Is this the one you were looking for?
That's the one. It's a good thing it isn't damaged. Otherwise...
Otherwise what? Are you telling me you have even more crazy punishments up your sleeve?
I would have probably have needed to dish out a little taste of one of my potions in that case. Then again, as I said, it isn't from the restricted section, which is the only reason I would let the average citizen borrow it in the first place. And it doesn't appear to have any abnormal elemental properties, save for the markings I put on it.
Yeah, it seems like just an average storybook.
As far as my duties as a librarian go, my troublesome work is finished. Since this book has piqued your interest, why don't I let you borrow it? There's no time limit for you. I will register you as custodian rather than borrower. This is an exclusive privilege reserved for trusted citizens only.
Exclusive privilege? Why does Paimon feel this is just your sneaky way of offloading your troublesome work onto someone else?
Excuse me, are you in some way dissatisfied with my work? Good. You're amenable to reason then. I do wish I could keep you by my side as my personal assistant. My work here is done. I'm going back. Don't forget to register at the library when you have a spare moment.
Ntar udah selesai. Itu lawan Abyss Order. Sebenarnya itu juga masih ada tanya di otak gua. Abyss itu apa? dan yang bisa order itu apa, jadi kita belum tahu. Talk to Lisa. Untuk nyelesain questnya harus talk to Lisa. Jadi kita langsung aja. Ini apa? Nah, kita last book ini. Kita teleport ke sini. Dan kita harus selesaikan questnya, teman-teman. Shit. Jadi kita harus balik lagi ke library yang buat start. So, balik lagi. Kalau kalian suka dengan video ini, please ya, tolong di komen, subscribe, dan like, agar gue juga bisa mendapatkan game-game lainnya juga nih, teman-teman. Karena gue suka dengan game-game seperti ini, game-game yang bikin santai ini seru banget.
You've returned. The paperwork is done. You are now the custodian of this book.
Thank you, Miss Lisa. But Paimon thinks we're forgetting something. Look, over there on the shelf. Isn't that the Teyvat travel guide? And look how many copies there are.
The Teyvat Travel Guide is a serial publication. It is not part of the library's formal collection.
Oh.
Take one. Consider it your compensation for being Lisa's little helper today. With you by my side, my troublesome work was a little less dull than usual.
The Teyvat travel guide was just bait to get us to do a day's work.
I hadn't anticipated that a few routine returns inquiries would take us out of the city, let alone down into some underground. As compensation for dragging you into all this bother, take these souvenirs.
Wow, Lisa went and bought us some special souvenirs.
In fact, they were intended for our next outing. But never mind. We can discuss next time's activity when the time comes. I hope you are looking forward to it.
Sebenarnya ini kita cari gitu kan, questnya sudah, dan adventure rank 26 kita bisa dapetin itu. Nah, jadi kalau udah adventure rank 26 kita ke sini ya. Nah, sekarang tinggal arkonnya aja nih, teman-teman. So, kalau tinggal arkonnya aja, bentar dulu. Lebih baik kita keluar dulu. Sepertinya teman-teman, gue harus selesai video di sini. Kalau kalian suka, please like, komen kurang-kurangnya apa yang bisa gue tambahin agar channel ini tetap berkembang, dan subscribe teman-teman. Gue butuh dukungan kalian agar channel ini bisa tetap berkembang, teman-teman. So, tanpa banyak basa-basi lagi, terima kasih semuanya. Sampai jumpa kembali di lain waktu, oke? Bye-bye.